Dropping rays from Dataframe based on a not in condition. I want to drop rays from a pandas Dataframe when the value of the date column is in a list of dates. The following code doesn't work. I get the following error. Value error. The truth value of a series is ambiguous. Use a.empty, a.bool, a.item, a.any, or a.all.
You can use series.isen. While the error message suggests that all or any can be used, they are useful only when you want to reduce the result into a single Boolean value. That is however not what you are trying to do now, which is to test the membership of every values in the series against the external list, and keep the results intact, i.e., a Boolean series which will then be used to slice the original data frame. You can read more about this in the coaches.
You can use pandas.dataframe.isen. Pandas.dataframe.isen will return Boolean values depending on whether each element is inside the list or not. You then invert this with the tilde to convert true to false and vice versa.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.